Now, Spencer, your company, McKesson, made the decision to move over to SentinelOne. Why did you guys make that decision?
Well, first off, I think everyone should be in the market for a next-gen antivirus solution. Basically, the old technology doesn't work anymore, not in the modern environment. But then secondly, many technologies, next-generation technologies, fundamentally work, or they go through an assessment process very early in the procurement decision that will show that it works. But what we're looking for is a team that we can partner with, a team that has a very honest and straightforward pitch, and then a roadmap in terms of the technology that we think we can build capability over a period of time. So we weren't actually looking for the fully blown solution day one, but a bold vision that could stretch out for a number of years, that filled in the gaps where we felt like there was an opportunity. But yeah, to your point, an honest pitch is extremely important.